Hello everybody, today we are going to see whether the system given y of t is equal to e raised to x of t is a linear system and is a time invariant system. We need to check this. So we have y of t is equal to e raised to x of t. For that we have a linearity property, that is t of a of x1 of t plus b x2 of t. So let us take e of x of t. It can be broken into two, that is a into x1 of t. Wherever the x term is there, we have to multiply with a and b and break into two variables, that is x1 and x2. So a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t. Since we have x of t to the power of e to the power of x of t, so x of t will be divided into a into x1 of t, b into x2 of t. This is the linearity property. So from this we can see that if it is the variable is in the power, so it will be a product e raised to x1 of t into e raised to b x2 of t. So which means the answer is not exactly the sum of two variables, which is nothing but a of t of x1 of t plus b of t of x2 of t. So the answer is in the product form, e of ax1 of t into e raised to b x2 of t. Now the second property is the time invariant property. Time invariant property is nothing but t of x of t minus t naught. So you can write it wherever the x is there you have to change it to x of t minus t naught. So e raised to x of t minus t naught. I'm sorry, and y of t minus t naught is equal to e raised to x of t minus t naught. So that means in y of t minus t naught you have to change the t to t minus t naught. Wherever the t is present you need to write t minus t naught, and in this first one, that is operator, wherever the x of t is present you have to write x of t minus t naught. So hence you can see this both are equal, that is y of t minus t naught is equal to t of x of t minus t naught. Therefore system is time invariant. It is a linear system and time invariant system. Thank you for watching this video.